Whew, warm one today. Today is day 29, start of week number 5. Thought I had a casualty yesterday because one got caught underneath the side rail when pulling it across the yard, but come to find out today, after nursing him back to good health, he made a full recovery, so we still have 59. Yeah, just making the corner around the yard, gonna start pulling them across the long way, and in a couple more weeks these guys will be ready for harvest, so we'll check back with you guys tomorrow.
All right, it's actually the evening of day 31, so I'm combining day 30 and 31. We went up north to our cabin this weekend, so days 30 and 31, nothing new. Pulled the chicken tractors across the yard, 10 feet, twice a day. Gave them feed. I'm gonna fill them up with some water, so everyone's doing good, no fatalities. Running low on feed though. I just put another 50 pounds in there, so starting to feather out really good. I don't know if you can tell, but they're hungry, and they're a little calmer at night too, or right before dark. So that's a wrap on day 31. We'll check back with you guys tomorrow. Well, that's a little guy. Okay, come on over here. Good job. Come here. Are ya? Okay. Okay, you want to regrip? Okay, there you go. It's day 32 with the chicks, and you can see Declan's got a smaller one here, but they're all getting pretty big. What do you think, bud? They getting big? Okay, we'll go put this one back. Feed, water, and drag them across the yard. That's all we're doing. That's a wrap on day 32. We'll check back with you guys tomorrow. All right, day 33 with the chicks. You can tell everyone's getting big, and they're all doing good so far. I haven't had any injuries or limping or anybody looking sick. Oops. So all is good so far. Another 50 pounds of feed down. I'm gonna go get some more. But yeah, they're filling out, as you can tell. They got all their feathers looking good. So hopefully in about 10 days, they'll be ready for the butcher block. So stick with us, and we'll catch you guys later. One other thing I should mention, feeding twice a day, moving twice a day, and they're getting water twice a day. It's getting pretty warm out in the 80s and low 90s, so making sure their watering bucket is full all the time. So just check on them, make sure they're healthy, make sure everyone's doing good.
All right, day 34 today, almost the end of week 5 here. Pretty simple day today. Moving them, feeding them, watering them, just like before. You probably noticed I was sprinkling a little food down before I drug the tractors across. These guys are so hungry. They're just nuts. I give them a little feed, pull them across. They can get that feed right away, which then they're not trying to pile out the door to get outside. So it gives me a couple minutes to fill up their trough. Gives them something to scratch for later as well. So, but yeah, that's a wrap on day 34. All 59, still doing good. No casualties, no accidents. This one hasn't attacked any, neither has the other dog. So doing good. I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. One thing I did want to mention is we do have coyotes around here. So even though these chicks are big enough to not get caught underneath the tractor when I pull it across the yard, there's still a good sized gap around the backside, which a coyote or a raccoon can still get their hands down in. Right down here. So I still put a 2x4 across the back, make sure we get their waters filled up. Got them some feed, and we're good to go.